What's up, YouTube? It's my newest purchase here. Pretty much to buy for a flip. It's a Jeep Liberty 2012. Has about 79,000 miles on it. It had quite a few problems, and we've been working on it. So when I went to the seller, it wouldn't start. The battery was dead. Had overheating issues. Wouldn't shift over out of second gear. This is only a 4-gear transmission vehicle. So this was a project. As you can see, it's in pretty good shape. Not amazing shape, but it could use a buff and clean. Could get a lot of the looks and stuff out of the car. A few things I noticed right away was that it had really good tires on the vehicle. So that was great for me. They're Goodyear Eagle RSA, so they're high quality tires. It's got 20-inch chrome wheels. Chrome definitely needs to be polished. You can see the hood needs a polish as well, and a buff. The headlights are very fogged. I'm going to try to restore these the best I can. These might need to be wet sanded, and then after being wet sanded, it'll have to be compound and polished. As you can see here, the grill's in pretty good shape. The hood has scratches on it. This is all going to need to be polished. This is from somebody putting boxes and stuff on the car. Right here, pretty bad headlight. It's rough. Hopefully it's only on the outside and can come off real easy, which I think it will. My other major problem was the roof on this vehicle. As you can see, the roof on the vehicle has been faded, and the paint, the chrome, not the chrome, but the clear coat is gone. So this will have to actually be stripped and repainted, which is a pretty big expense. We've been able to sort out most of the mechanical issues that this vehicle has. So it did have a major issue with overheating, which the previous owner had put in a lot of stop leak in the radiator, which clogs up a lot of stuff. So because of that, my best bet was to change out everything. So I did change out the radiator, I changed out the water pump, thermostat, did a double coolant flush. So it's been flushed completely and it doesn't overheat anymore. That solved the problem. The transmission issue was that the solenoid had gone bad. This has the solenoid down on the bottom, so it wasn't giving the signal to shift out of gear, which can happen on these. So that has to be replaced. They have rebuilt solenoids that they sell on line. So I bought a rebuilt one, had that put in, did a transmission fluid change. But besides that, it's in really good shape. I like the vehicle. It does need a good cleaning. Also, the interior, we have to have this replaced. Now this will have to be done by a professional, as it is ripped. So this whole panel right here will have to be taken out and redone. The interior comes nice. It comes with navigation, radio. Had a own installed backup camera. It's not bad. Has a subwoofer. Sounds actually surprisingly really good. It drives like a Jeep Wrangler, not more like a luxury Jeep. And so this is our project. I'll keep you guys updated and let you know what happens. And if you like, just like the video and subscribe. Take care, guys.